Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty, beautiful purple makeup. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I use, please keep on watching. So we're going in with this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions palette, and oh my god, look how beautiful this is. It's my first time, well, this is my first Huda Beauty palette, so I'm very excited. I'm going to go on with this latest pinky purple shade, and I'm going to work this into my crease. And you know what? I'm going to start right here. Normally I like to start in the outer, but I wanted to deposit most of this color right here. And I'm bringing this right above the crease and just really buffing and blending this out. This pigment is so good. How pretty that is. And I'm just working in circular motions. I'm just gonna stop right there. Whatever left over, just buffing and blending. I'm going to go in with this color and this color, mix it together using the same fluffy brush. And I'm going to place this on this outer portion right here. And just pull this out just a little. I'm just going to work this and create a V. I'm going to take a little bit of this first shade and just run this over it and just pull that color out a little bit. I'm just going to clean this brush off a little bit. So there shouldn't be really any product at all. And now I'm just going to buff the outer portion a little bit. I'm going to go back in with this color and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line, and I'm bringing it all the way from the inner to outer portion. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is right in the center, and I'm going to pack this onto the lid. Now I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to add this into the inner tear duct. So pretty. I think this is actually my favorite shade that I've used so far. This is so nice. So it's ever left over on my brush, I'm not going in with any additional product. I'm just going to highlight right in the highest point of my brow bone. I'm going to go in with a very, very small wing. Okay, so I just added some Rimmel Scandalize in Nude in my waterline. Going in with that same brush I used to apply the shadow right here. I'm just blending and buffing this out. So I'm going to go in with this Beauty Bakerie Illuminator So Icy in Ice, and I am just going to take a very, very small amount of this highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight my nose. I'm also going to take a small amount and just highlight right here. I'm trying to avoid this area because I don't want to highlight that. So going in with my blush palette, this is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. I'm going to go in with go in with this color right here. So I'm going to go in with a very, very small amount of this highlighter. This is from Artist Couture, and this is Purple Dream. When I say I'm going to use the tiniest amount, I'm going to use the tiniest amount. I just have to find a tiny brush to put a tiny amount. So a very, very small amount. I'm just going to add this right here. All right, so this is the completed look. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I forget, on my lips, I went with Morphe's Sweet Tea lip liner and this Juvia's Place Mademoiselle lipstick. I love this combo. I think it's so pretty, but I do really, really love the way this eyeshadow look turned out. I like the way everything turned out in general. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested, all the product details will be listed down below to make it so much easier for you guys. But that is it. I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.